Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PS5 error CE-108255-1. An error occurred in the application. So first thing you need to do is go ahead and try to update your game. So for example, you're having problem with Fortnite, you're going to press Options key on your controller and check for update and go ahead and update your game. You also want to go ahead and do the same for the console. So you're going to go to the settings, then you want to go ahead to system software, and system software update and settings. And you want to go ahead and just make sure it's up to date. Now, if none of that worked, sometimes depends on the game you are having problem with, but if your game has DLCs, for example, like Fallout 4, then you'll want to go ahead and try to delete those DLCs, or just go ahead and try to reinstall the game, uninstall it basically, and install only the base game without DLCs. So you're just going to go to the settings, storage, then games and apps, and you're just going to delete the game, and after that delete only the base game without DLCs. Sometimes it works. And now the last step would be to go ahead and turn off your console. So go ahead, turn it off. We're gonna enter a safe mode for the PlayStation 5. Hold for 2 seconds the turn on button until you hear the beep sound. Now you need to connect your controller with a cable to PlayStation console. Then you're gonna enter the safe mode and you will see clear cache and rebuild database. You want to go ahead and choose that and then choose rebuild database. And just like that, your game now should be working just fine. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.